Meaning of Knickerbocker.
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 Knickerbocker. Knickerbocker can refer to a few different things. Originally, Knickerbocker was a term used to describe the descendants of Dutch settlers in New York. It later became associated with a style of men's pants that were popular in the early 20th century, short trousers that stopped just below the knee and were often worn with high socks. In modern times, Knickerbocker is most commonly associated with the sports teams from New York City, particularly the Knicks basketball team. The name Knicks is a shortened version of Knickerbockers.